So we're studying the body, we're learning about different parts and what they do and the function. And then every Thursday we are going to Loyola Hospital, and then we're shadowing doctors, and we're going to be on rotation for every 2 weeks, small groups, to see what it's like.
Being able to go to the hospital every week, getting to go into different rooms like the trauma room, watching their clinicals and everything, I think it's just going to be extremely beneficial just to go along and see.
When we went to the Illinois College of Optometry, I got to sit in a doctor's appointment. It was interesting seeing that side of it, because normally you're sitting on one side of the chair and you don't know what they're really looking at. I was in the glaucoma unit. It was really interesting because normally you just go to the eye doctor and okay, you're fine, you need glasses, but like there's more side of it.
On our visit to the ICO, I was the only student that got to go into the urgent care, and I thought that was really cool because I got to see more of just spontaneous accidents. The lady that came in and I shadowed her, she was working with resistance bands, and it came back and popped and hit her in both the eyes. So I got to look at the dry sockets, and I got to use the machine and just look at her eye at a closer rate. I started looking more into optometry after going in there, so I feel like the medical career pathway class is going to give me a look at everything, so I can really just decide from there.
In 5 to 10 years, I want to do cancer research, and I'm so tired of hearing people say, oh, so-and-so passed of cancer, and I want to see what other medicines there are out there, so I want to be in a research lab.
I hope to be a radiation therapist somewhere around here. I feel like, same thing with Iris, I'm tired of hearing people pass of cancer. My aunt passed of cancer when I was in 8th grade, so from that point on I knew what I wanted to be. Sorry, I'm getting emotional talking about this. I didn't want people to go through that. So me personally, I want to save other people from having to go through what I went through. This program really brings St. Laurence out of the ordinary for every other school, and so just being able to have this here at St. Laurence, it's unlike any other. No other school has ever had something like this, and I think it's amazing. It's a good opportunity for us students here, and it's really going to help St. Laurence.
So I have friends from other Catholic schools and public schools, and when the beginning of school year we were comparing schedules, and I was like, oh, I'm in this medical class, and oh, is it just medicine? I'm like, no, well, it is an anatomy class, but I'm also going to hospitals and seeing doctors and everything, and they're like, wait, what? That exists? And they're like, wait, you're doing it at St. Laurence? And it's this crazy thing that they've never heard of that. And then my parents will tell other parents, and they're like, wow, I can't believe they're doing that at St. Lawrence, and it's just a crazy experience.